Warning: this video is a parody intended for audiences over the age of 13.
Hi, I'm Caillou. Hello Caillou. What are you up to? I'm going to sing 1 2 buckle my shoe. That sounds nice. Go ahead. 1 2 buckle my shoe. 3 4 shut the door. 5 6 pick up sticks. 7 8 lay them straight. 9 10 a big fat hen. What are you doing Caillou? I'm singing 1 2 buckle my shoe. That's great. But why did you take all the books off the shelf? I wanted to make a fort. You should have asked first. I think you should be grounded for not asking before you took the books off the shelf. But I was just singing 1 2 buckle my shoe. That's nice. But it doesn't mean you can take the books off the shelf without asking. You're grounded for the rest of the day. But I only wanted to sing 1 2 buckle my shoe. It doesn't matter. You still need to ask first before taking something that isn't yours. Okay. I understand. Let's go have dinner now. Okay. Let's put the books back on the shelf. Okay. I'm sorry for not asking before taking the books off the shelf. That's okay. Just remember to ask next time. I will. Let's go to bed now. Good night. Good night Caillou. I'm going to take my bike for a ride. Wait. Where do you think you're going? I'm going for a bike ride. You can't go out without permission. But I just want to go for a bike ride. You still need to ask permission before you go out. Okay. I'm sorry. It's okay. Just remember to ask before you go out next time. I will. Mom, can I have a snack? Yes. But you need to ask first. Okay. Can I have a snack please? Yes. You can have a snack. I'm going to play with my friends. Wait. Where do you think you're going? I'm going to play with my friends. You can't go out without permission. But I just want to play with my friends. You still need to ask permission before you go out. Okay. I'm sorry. It's okay. Just remember to ask before you go out next time. I will. It's time for bed now Caillou.